You need to go for a wide lens for that sucker. Jesus, holy moly!
So re-release from Tamiya. This is the Nissan 240ZG.
ZG.
In 12 scale.
Why is it called a ZG? That's American market.
No, it's not. So apparently I thought it was American market, but the G version is the super spec one. It's got all the flares and stuff on it. And it was predominantly in Japan. Okay, but this particular one, what they've done is this is actually an early kit they've re-released, but they've made it as a street version. So it's got the strut brace. Yep. I might be able to show that a bit later. So it's on the side of the box there, actually.
Are we going to do an unboxing?
Oh, I don't know about unboxing because we're going to have to chop it open.
I can see the fear come into your eyes when I say unboxing. Hey.
And they've added photo etch, so there's a nice spread of photo etch to add
you
more detail.
love your photo etch.
I do. What else have they done? There's a rear spoiler. Oh, seatbelts.
Yep.
Seatbelts.
Different wheels.
Yep.
These are Watanabe style wheels, yeah.
You love anything Watanabe. I can't say it.
You can't say.
I'm done.
Watanabe.
Carburetor.
Yeah, so very nice indeed. So the Tamiya have been re-releasing a lot of their 12 scale cars.
I'm glad.
They've done a lot of F1s of late.
Yeah, the Brabham and with the Renault up there.
Yeah, the Renault just came out too.
Yeah,
oh, so
anyway, we'll have a look at that a bit later. What else is it? It's just like Italy. They released quite a few things too.
Yeah,
old prototype kits. Nice.
Can you go in the overhead and have a look at the side of the box here? Can we see that? Look at that. And we can just, you might need to refocus up there a bit, old mate.
Yeah, I'm really glad they're doing this.
Oh, look at those trumpets as well. Okay.
Yeah, funnels, carburetor.
What's with the carburetor? Are they white metal or something, are they?
Yeah.
There's the carbs.
Yeah.
Right, there's your strut brace.
Triple Weber carbs.
You got your Watanabe wheels right there. We'll just slide that across. There's your seat belts. Okay, so they're fabric on self-adhesive backing. And then you've got your photo etch sheet here. You've got your buckles there for your seats.
Looks like vents.
Yeah. And then there's also Cartograf decals in here as well, although there won't be a lot of decals. It'll be mainly the...
Can we have a look on the other side?
Other side? What's on the other side?
Oh,
Not
much.
Not much? What is that?
That's where it's going to look like if you paint it white.
You got a profile view.
And a bit of a blurb.
Bit of a blurb.
There you go.
That's nice.
That is cool. It's upside down now. Upside down, upside down.
Decent. I like it. Yeah?
That is really cool.